Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below for the latest updates. Know how to make this beautiful feather stitch which is very light in weight and it comes out really beautiful. If you make any bag, muffler or blanket using this stitch, and they really comes out very beautiful. First of all, we will make half double crochet foundation chain. So let's start. Make a slip knot, then 2 chains. After making 2 chains, we will yarn over, then pass through 2, pull out the yarn, pass through first and then pass through all 3 loops. Yarn over, pass through these 2, pass the yarn through first and then to all 3. Yarn over, pass these 2, pass through first and then pass to all 3. You will see we have made 1 2 3 and 4 chains. You have to make total chains in odd numbers, that is 1 3 5. Today I am making total 11 chains and half double crochet foundation 11 chains, and then we will work. After making this half double crochet foundation chain, we will make chain 1 and we will flip like this. In this first space we will make half double crochet, chain 1, then we will skip 1 and in next space we will make half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. After making this, we will make chain 1 and flip the pattern. In this first space we will make half double crochet, chain 1, yarn over. In this space we will pass like this. In the next, yarn over, then we will pass it through this space. Then its length should be like this. Yarn over and in next space. Then we will have total 7 loops on the hook. We will pass through all these and then chain 1. After making this, in the space where we have done yarn over, in the same space we will start the next step, yarn over. Then we have, you will see at the bottom we have 2. In the second one we will pass like this, yarn over. In next space 7 loops, and pass it through this space. Yarn over one space, yarn over bottom, yarn over this space. Chain 1. We have to repeat it like this only. And when we come to an end, we will make half double crochet in the last space. Then we will make chain 1, flip the pattern. In first space we will make half double crochet, 1 chain, yarn over bottom space, and in next this space. Chain. Then we will start again from same space, yarn over bottom, yarn over next space. Then we have to make, this is how you have to repeat the pattern, and you have to make the article and make as number of rows you require. After completing the article, now I will tell you how to close the article. Like the bottom, we will have to make the same at the top. Chain 1, yarn over half double crochet in first space, yarn over half double crochet on top of this feather stitch, yarn over half double crochet in the middle space, chain 1, yarn over half double crochet over the top of half feather stitch. You will see your end will be same as the bottom. You have to complete like this. In the last space, half double crochet over the half double in the center space, half double crochet on the this side space, and then slip stitch, and your feather stitch article is ready. Hope you like my video. Kindly share it with your friends who are doing the crocheting, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe button and do share it with your friends. Thank you.